All right, here we are back with Geography with Jason, and today we have the Anagrammed U.S. states and capitals 3. I haven't done 1 or 2 yet, but can I name the U.S. state and its capital that have been anagrammed together in each clue? I'm a little bit nervous about this one, but I did go ahead and just review the state capitals, so not too much, but we'll see how I do. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. It definitely motivates me to make more videos like this, and hit that notification bell. And I'd greatly appreciate it as well. It helps out the YouTube algorithm. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's play. This one, surprisingly, I know already. Okay. I'm trying to think of states that have a short name, or capitals, I guess. Can I skip? Yes, I can. Augusta? No. And I have no idea. These are really hard. You know what? I'm just going to give up and see what we got. Salem, Oregon. Oh. I was right about this. Augusta. Oh, I have to type in the state too. That's what I didn't do. Carson City, Nevada. Okay, let's just replay and see how far we get. Yeah, I won't cheat too much. Juneau, Alaska. Salem, Oregon. Augusta, Maine. Don't know. This one is Carson City, Nevada, maybe? No, it has a J in there. Oklahoma City, Oklahoma? Yes. This looks like Baton Rouge, Louisiana? Awesome. Okay, don't know. This is, Pierre. Montpelier, Vermont, maybe. Is there a V in there? No. Oh, Latin Seamount Panes. I'm feeling the pain right now. Tinted Crutch Roof Can. These are very clever, I must say. Sharpens angrily via burn. Okay. This is Honolulu? No. Wow, these are tougher than I thought. Columbia, South Carolina, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, Hartford, Connecticut, St. Paul, Minnesota. Now I'm just remembering where these are at. Richmond, Virginia, Carson City. Oh, okay, Carson City. I thought that was this one. Jackson, Mississippi. Okay, at least I'm reviewing the capitals at the same time, so it's not terrible. Juneau, Alaska. Salem, Oregon. Did I already forget this one? Guanatisum. Yes, I did. This one is Carson City, Nevada, right? No, it's the previous one. Carson City, Nevada. Yeah, and this one I don't really know. Augusta, Maine, and Richmond, Virginia are those two. So let's play Juneau, Alaska, Salem, Oregon, Augusta, Maine, Richmond, Virginia, Carson City, Nevada. Like, it looks nothing like that. That's the thing. Don't know this one either. Jackson, Mississippi. That's the thing. Okay. Let's try again. All right, play again. Juneau, Alaska. Juneau. Salem, Oregon. Augusta, Maine. Carson's. No, that's not right. Richmond, Virginia. Carson City, Nevada. Oh my gosh, I just had this. Jackson, Mississippi. Really? That looks nothing like it. Oklahoma City. That one's I could just get. There's an H. There's a W though. Wisconsin, Wyoming. No. Washington. No. West Virginia, maybe. That sounds right. Is it Charleston? Oh, if I just take some time to look at it, I can kind of get it. Baton Rouge, maybe? Louisiana. Yeah, it's better than just remembering it. Y. Okay, so there's no state that starts with Y. What about a Y in it? For the capital, maybe? Cheyenne. There's no C. Montgomery. Aha. Insane Knoll Crab. Let's see, there's a lot of L's. Oh, this is getting difficult. Okay, let's try Gorilla Ranch. Is this Pierre? I want to say South Dakota. No, there's no D. All right, I give up on these, but I was doing all right actually. Oh, this was Pierre, South Dakota, Providence, Rhode Island, Raleigh, North Carolina, St. Paul, Minnesota, Hartford, Connecticut, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and Columbia, South Carolina. Okay, let's try again. Juneau, Alaska, Salem, Oregon, Iguanatiessum is no, Augusta, Maine. This is not Carson City. Richmond, Virginia? Yeah, I saw the V in there. Carson City, Nevada. There's a C in there. Raleigh, North Carolina, was it? No, whoa. Charleston. Wow, this is tougher than I thought. Jackson, Mississippi. Oklahoma, okay. So if I do Raleigh, North Carolina, St. Paul, Minnesota. I might have to spell this out. There we are. Hartford, Connecticut. Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. And this one is, let's see, Pierre, South Dakota. I know that one. Montgomery, Alabama. Why can I think of this? No, it's not Carson City. Give up. Lincoln, Providence, and Columbia were the ones. Okay, so let's just do those first. Lincoln, Nebraska, Providence, Rhode Island, Columbia, South Carolina. Right. Now can I get these again? Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Oh, wait, that's this one, my bad. There we are. Hartford, Connecticut, St. Paul. Wait. Minnesota, right? St. Paul, Minnesota? Yes. Oh, you gorilla. Oh, this is Montgomery, Alabama. I did a little better, but not by much. Oh, this is Pierre, South Dakota. Oh, why can't I get this one? Raleigh, North Carolina. All right, let's start with that one. The Ranch. Raleigh, North Carolina. Pains. Latin C. Pains. Come on. This is Hartford. This is Harrisburg, right? Hartford, Connecticut. Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Wait. St. Paul, Minnesota. Lincoln, Nebraska. Pierre, South Dakota. Oh, no, come on. And I'm going to forget all these too, right? Columbia, South Carolina, Providence, Rhode Island. Okay, you guys are the death of me. Oh, this is really difficult. All right, let's try again. Play quiz. Providence, Rhode Island. Okay. Columbia, South Carolina. Okay. Good. This is St. Paul, Minnesota. It doesn't look that long. I don't know why, but it feels like when I type it, it's really long. This is Lincoln, Nebraska. I guess there are two L's. Raleigh, North Carolina, was it? Yeah, there we go. Pierre. Oh. Wow. Montgomery, Alabama. We're doing well. I got all those, actually. Salem, Oregon. And here we become stuck. This is Carson City, Nevada. Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I want to T some. You always get me. A C. Which one with the, there's no Y in there, right? Wait, Richmond. I feel like there's a Virginia in here somewhere. Did I not do that? No. Richmond, Virginia. Aha. All right, let's try to think a little bit. We have a V here. West Virginia. Charleston, West Virginia. Now we're using our head. G and a T. S, a U. That should be a hint. U's are not too common. It's not like cities, not Denver. It's not too long of a state either. Annapolis, Delaware, Dover. No. Augusta, Maine. Oh my gosh. How much time am I willing to spend on this just to try and get it right? There's no T's. I knew Missouri. Jackson, Missouri? No. Jackson. It's Jefferson City, Missouri. Jackson, Mississippi. That's right. All right, we did it. Oh, that was a little bit more difficult than I thought, but I'm glad we stuck through with it. Anyways, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'd really appreciate it.